got it. We'll start a riot. Follow my lead. Atlantica! Atlantica! Join me, guys. Atlantica!
Hey, you ain't smart.
Yeah.
This ain't living. You know what I'm saying?
And the acoustics are non-gordular. Listen, do re mi fa sol la ti do.
Come on, at least we're hanging out. Can I get a hoo-yah?
Come on, guys! This looks a lot worse than it is. I'll just get an audience with the king, and I'll fix it.
Now, no offense, man, but you had 10 years to fix it, and this is where we end up?
In jail.
Well, give me.
The band has talked it up, see, and we want you to slip through the bars.
Use your claws to pick the lock, man.
And open that door!
Good plan. Sorry.
Liquid. Just kidding.
No! Bad plan! If we break out of this jail, there ain't no coming back here, man. We'll be fugitives!
All right, that's cool.
What's a fugitive?
What about Ariel? You just going to abandon her? Leave her to deal with all that we tangled her up in? You think that small, weak, innocent, helpless little girl can do anything by herself? Ariel?
Come on, Sebastian, let's go.
I'm with her.
If we run away from Atlantica, it will break your father's heart.
She gotta do what she gotta do.
I'm sorry, I just can't live here.
Yeah, let's go!
Listen, girl, I will not be responsible for taking you away from your family.
I'm leaving, with or without you.
All right! Nobody's leaving!
Except you.
Look, Sebastian, without music, this place just isn't home.
You know she ain't lying.
Ain't no coming back to that.
You got that right.
No. Never mind.
Are you okay?
Ariel, you're right. Without music, this place just isn't home. I know just where to go!
Okay. Who? Oh dear.